Yes, guys, welcome back to Blake WR TV. And as always, we're in the kitchen making a delicious meal, Jamaican style, yardman thing. All right, so this morning what we have for you is some fried dumpling and some saltfish, and we have some callaloo, Jamaican style. So we're just in the kitchen right now. As you can see, the saltfish is being cooking over there. We have some eggs and we have some dumpling. We have some carrot, some onion, and some sweet pepper or bell pepper. Here we have some garlic pegs and some onion, and we have the oil over there already hot. We're gonna put some of the onion and the garlics into the oil to give the oil a little flavor. I like to put a little flavor into the oil when I'm frying my dumpling. You don't really have to, but it's good to have a little onion or garlics, whatever you want to put in there. Just like to give the oil that little flavor. And if you like pepper, you can add a little pepper in there. So here's the dumpling here. We have the dumpling already made with the dough, and we put a little cornmeal on the board. It's good to have a little cornmeal on the board when you're making dumpling. It doesn't make them stick, so you can have better control over them. As you can see, they're already here in the cornmeal. They're already made and ready to go. So this one, we go ahead and just put it in the oil over here. The oil is hot and ready, just like that. Yardman thing. Yes, there we go. Jamaican fried dumpling, just like that. Just drop them into the oil. And to make dumpling, all you need is just flour. You can add a little cornmeal in there for texture or different taste in your cornmeal and flour. A little bit of salt, not too much salt, just a little bit of salt in there, and some water, and just mix it in with a spoon or something even like this. You can use to mix it if you don't want to put your hands in there. I'm having another video on how to make dumplings, so right now they already make already. Alright, dumpling looking good over here. Frying slowly. When you're frying dumpling, you don't want to fry them too fast. If you fry them too fast, they're gonna burn and don't come out. The inside of the dumpling is not gonna cook, so you wanna make sure the temperature is on low, not too low, but like a medium low. And then you wanna fry them slowly, because if you fry them too fast, like I said, they're gonna burn on the outside and the inside is not gonna be cooked properly. Alright, so the saltfish is right here. We've been cooking the saltfish for some time now. We wash it a few times to get rid of the salt out of it. And we're gonna use, once we finish this, we're gonna use the onion and the scallion and cut that up in our pot with some oil. And then we're gonna brown the onion and then pick up the saltfish and the onion and fry it up. And then after that, now we have some callaloo up here for you guys. You can see we have the callaloo in the brain. We don't have the fresh callaloo, we have to strip and cut up. So this is one already come in the can. If you want it even more fresher than this, you can use this, but if you want, you do your own where you don't have to have it in the can. You can also buy it in the store and strip it and wash it and cut it up, and you get the same thing just like this. This is already cooked, it's already pre-cooked, so all it needs to do is just heat up. Over here we have some ackee. This is the Jamaican ackee. As you can see, it's already in the can. We're not getting it fresh off the tree, which is fresh off the tree is the best, but you know, we don't have an ackee tree here, so we have to go ahead and work with the can. You know what things say. Alright, so we'll go through now and take out the saltfish out the pot, and we're gonna strain it off and get ready to do some frying. Alright guys, right here we're gonna be putting we have the codfish or saltfish already frying in the pot, and the dumpling them is still looking good over here, looking nice. They have a golden brown texture. Callaloo is already cut and ready to pour into our mixture with the saltfish. We got some bell pepper and some onion frying down in the oil. We'll put a little bit more seasoning on that, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the ackee. So in a minute we're gonna show you what it look like once we finish. We was gonna cook the ackee, but we decided to go ahead with the callaloo instead and do the ackee for another video. So this is what it look like, guys. Cooking down real nicely. Got the saltfish already golden brown with the onion frying down very nicely. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and add in the callaloo in a little bit. And like the dumpling them is over here. Very tasty dumpling. Cornmeal dumpling, Jamaican style. Alright. Keep on watching for the result. It's gonna look real nice when we finish. Okay, now that we add in the callaloo, this is what it look like. Callaloo is added. We're gonna tip a little bit of water in this and we're gonna just cover it up and let it steam down real nicely. Smelling real good. Saltfish and callaloo along with pepper and onion and all the nice season. We're gonna go ahead and add a little water in it. Just like that. And then we're gonna just cover it up and make it just stew down very nicely. You can just put it on a lid on it and give it about 5 minutes. You don't wanna have it on too long. You don't want it to dry out. You wanna have that juice in there. That nice, delicious, tasty, mouth-watering juice. You wanna keep that texture in the pot, so you don't want it to dry out too much. So that's what it look like, guys. Authentic Yardman style callaloo and saltfish along with pepper and all the good works. The dumpling them over here look like me need to turn them up. Don't want them burn here, them will get a brown in color like a. Need to turn them over. Probably need to take them out at this time. Yeah, I'll go ahead and remove the dumpling. Don't want them burn up. Don't want to put a lot of work in the dough and the cooking process. You want them come out nice and golden brown. Just like that. This is good. Check this one out. This one can go and stay a little bit longer. Now the Dutchy pot, this one can come out. These two may make them go and stay for like a second more. Okay, all the dumpling is out the pot right over here, and now we're gonna go ahead and finish up cooking up our callaloo ackee. It's gonna be saved for another video. You will see that in another video. We're gonna make the ackee and some other stuff. Saltfish same way. Alright guys, as you can see, we already finished the fried dumpling and the callaloo and saltfish, and it's looking good in the plate right now. We have a cooked banana in there as well, so you can add some cooked banana if you want, or some yam or whatever you want in there. And this is the way you can have a breakfast with banana. Bananas have a lot of health benefit, iron and all them good stuff for you. So this is what the after product look like when you finish cooking everything. And like me say, you guys gonna see a video with our ackee coming up, so keep on watching the show. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and comment in the section if you guys want to see the ackee video. We'll make another ackee video, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, let me know. Just comment in the comment section. And remember guys, if you are watching the video and you find it interested, remember to repost my videos, like, share and subscribe. Alright, thank you for watching Blake WR TV.